Welcome to Again Faster. We've got a range of jump ropes and I wanted to take you through them so that you can pick which one is best for you and your application. In CrossFit, most of what we're doing is double unders. Now you're starting to see some introduction of triple unders as the ropes get faster, and we've got a rope that'll allow you to do that. But if you're a beginning CrossFitter and you're just starting to get double unders, that is jumping over the rope and having it pass under your feet twice, you're going to want the Ultra Speed cable rope. Now this is the least expensive of our line. It's also the slowest rope. Now you want to take that with a grain of salt. Just because it's the slowest rope doesn't mean it's slow. It's slow in comparison to the others. So you'll see this rope has plastic on plastic rotation. That is, there's a metal rod that goes through the handle and it attaches to this piece of plastic here. You'll also see that where the cable goes through the rope, there's no articulating eye like you're going to see in the Revolution rope and the RevX rope. Nonetheless, this works very well for beginners, for folks who are just getting used to jumping rope for the first time. We even see some elite athletes using this rope. It does have a slower turning speed, but it is a good value for the money. You'll also notice that just like all of our other ropes, it has collar adjustability. All the ropes come with a tool inside the bag that's going to allow you to pick the length that's right for you. And you're going to either use a set screw or a collar like this one here, or you're going to use a flatter Phillips head screwdriver to adjust that. So everything comes right out of the bag adjustable. Now the Revolution rope is quite a step up from the Ultra Speed cable rope. This rope, primarily the difference is the cable's the same. It's the handle. And if you take a look at this handle, what you're going to see is that it rotates on a bearing. That is a bearing that's made right here in the States. It's a very high tolerance bearing and it's very fast. That is, the handle will rotate quickly. You'll also see that there's an articulating eye here. And what that eye allows this handle to do is, even if you get a little off axis, it's going to keep the rope spinning. It also is going to allow a variety of hand positions and keeping that rope going. The sum of this is essentially a faster rope. That is, the rotational speed at the handle is higher. Now you'll notice that this has a coated cable. If you're going to be jumping rope outside, I'd recommend that you go with the Ultra Speed rope or that you go with the Revolution rope. This coated cable does wear down eventually, and the Revolution rope does come with an extra cable should it wear down, but what it does is it protects what's inside, and what's inside is a braided steel cable. That's the cable that you're going to find on the RevX rope, our fastest rope in the line. So the RevX rope has the same handles as the Revolution rope, but a different cable. Okay? And you'll see that this steel cable is uncoated and wound. Basically, this is the fastest rope we carry, and the reason is that lack of a coating. It actually has less air resistance as it goes around, and therefore cuts the air cleaner. It's a quick rope. Now, this is only for indoor use. If you use this on pavement, if you use this on an abrasive surface, it is going to fray. Now, it does come with an extra cable as well, but I'd highly recommend that you only use this indoors on matting, on a wood floor, on something that's non-abrasive. This is a competitive advantage. This rope turns remarkably quickly. Almost all the athletes whose hands we've put it in have said, yeah, that's definitely the fastest rope I've ever had. It's super light, it's easy to turn, and it really is the top of the line. So just to reiterate, we've got the Ultra Speed cable rope, plastic on plastic, our slowest rotating handle with a coated cable suitable for indoor or outdoor use. The Revolution rope with a coated cable has a bearing and articulating eye system that allows it to rotate faster. Also has a coated cable for indoor or outdoor use. The RevX is our fastest rope, our performance advantage, and that is only for indoor use. It's got the bearing handle with the articulating eye and this uncoated cable. Don't hit yourself with this. Thanks. If you have any questions about our ropes or anything else you see on this site, just shoot us an email, service@againfaster.com, or give us a call, 617-460-5999.